Well, there you go, guys. It's Kelly's Flats. Pretty epic trail. It really gets the blood pumping. This trail can be just about as hard as you want it to be. There's multiple lines you can take. You don't have to stick to the totally extreme lines. I pretty much took the easiest line on every obstacle. And the Jeep did alright. The one obstacle that I was worried about was Heart Attack Hill. It's only about quarter mile, maybe a half mile into the trail. There is a bypass for it, but I wanted to give it a shot. And we did alright. Once you get past Heart Attack Hill, it's a pretty easy trail, to be honest. You know, a lot of views, a lot of flat dirt, a little bit of rocks. That downhill section at the end of the trail was a little tricky, but really anything with high clearance and four-wheel drive will have no problem getting up or down it. Overall, I really liked it. It's a pretty serious trail, probably the hardest one I've done to that moment. The white two-door Jeep with me was a viewer of the channel, Cisco. He met me there at Rustic, and we did the trail together. His Jeep's a 2000. I think it's got like a 6-inch Rusty's lift and 33s. Really nice Jeep. Cisco, if you're watching this, buddy, thanks for going with me. I don't know if I would have done that trail without you. And I apologize for this video taking so long. I took a break once I left school, obviously. I haven't been shaving for the past 6 weeks or so the beard's coming in real nice. I'll be uploading the Gaia track for this trail if you guys are interested. The link will be down in the description below. And then also tomorrow I will be uploading the entire trail on one video. Pretty much had my GoPro running that entire time, so I'll upload that. It's gonna be long, so I don't take offense if you guys don't want to watch the whole thing, but if you guys want to get an idea of what the trail's like, I'll put that video up and you can watch it. Once again, I want to thank Cisco for coming. I want to thank my older brother Brad for coming out, making the trek from Iowa. We made this into a nice little Colorado trip when he came out, so there'll be a couple videos with him in it. But I got some more videos of when I was out in Wyoming. I'm back home now, so we'll be back to working on the Jeep here shortly. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.